guys, well, I've gotten a bunch of requests from all my fans to do a Minecraft build tutorial. Whoops, sorry about that, guys. Really, I'm not. I'm gonna keep the music on. I'll see why not. Right. I think I'm gonna build a minion today from Despicable Me. I love that movie, man. Makes me laugh every single time I watch it. Every single one of them. No exceptions. I think yellow concrete, white concrete, blue concrete, and black concrete. Wait a second. Okay, yeah, I think I'll. Oh, right, music is working. Yeah, okay, this we'll be using, I think. I don't know if maybe I'll need to use more. I'll pick it up later, I'll tell you. But by the way, like the video for Jesus. He loves you all. Alright, let's get started. I think I'm just about done. I said, whoops, wait, maybe just do this actually. Bang, bang, bang. Look at that. Wait, watch this, watch this. Boom. Butt cheek. Anyway, I'll do a little tour of him, see, so some big shoes because he's a worker and doesn't want his feet to get hurt. Or tired. Black gloves as always. Blue overall. Butt cheek. I forgot how you do the G thing, like the GRU logo in Minecraft. So I just wrote it so people can like see it if they get like the villagers or pig maybe. What? The pig like an egg? What the? Okay. Well, yeah, right, his mouth. There's no teeth in there, he lost them in a gang war. Goggles, they kinda go around. Like that. Whoops, let's just fix that. Sorry about that, guys. You know how I am. Okay, they go around the set like that. Boom. And then he has like the silly minion hair something on. And that's about it. Let me just delete that. Oh, this makes it look pretty cool. Summon and the dragon. No. Summon Minecraft and dragon. Whoa. Look at that. What is it doing? So silly. What do we go? Game mode. Survival. Okay, guys. Whoa. No, my minion! No. 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 Why? Bye guys, bye, I'm sorry, bye.